Okay. So it's good I'm here because it is my pleasure to introduce Wynna, who is just completed 8th grade and is going into high school now. She is my mentee. It kind of happened by, not so much by design, but by real good coincidence. We had accepted her into the program, but the mentor in question had some serious issues and she couldn't mentor, so I ended up mentoring her. This was for a very short time. She started in the middle of March. It has been a great learning experience for me. I've pushed her very hard, and she's just an 8th grader, and she's actually never complained. But I think you'll see all of that in her presentation and her demo. The one thing I wanted to mention about her is, I'm fairly busy, so I have to really slice out my time. So when I first met with her, I said, I was going to meet with her every Sunday, so I said, every Saturday you must send me a reminder. And she did that each and every Saturday. Even if it was like 10 o'clock in the night, I surely got an email from her. To me, that told me that she thinks this is very important for her. That was such a strong message. And so I thank her parents for it. Thank you. And
Hi, I'm Wynna Huang, and I just graduated from St. Simon in Los Altos. My mentor was Pramanick, and she is a software engineer at Google, and she works on personal research. And she also has a PhD in electrical and computer engineering. And she also loves to read when she can find the time. I started Magic in the middle of March this year, and my previous programming experience has been 2 years ago when I was a rising 7th grader, where I worked on C++ at a summer camp. And over these past 3 months, I've worked on Python using Codecademy, and I learned from Codecademy. And I designed a game using graphics.py, which is a simple-to-use graphics library written by Professor John Zhao. I've learned basic programming concepts, including conditionals, loops, and functions. And loops are basically where the program will keep running until a condition is met. And I've also learned getting user input, error handling, animation, and non-blocking code, which helps the code keep repeating itself. And I used GitHub as a repository, so my mentor and I could share our code easily, and we would project code on GitHub. I designed and implemented a hangman game using Python, and there are 3 levels in my game, and the word gets longer with each level, and the user can make up to 5 mistakes. The hangman consists of 6 parts, but on the 6th part, they will lose, so they have to restart. And my game also includes fun graphics. So to the right is the screen that will come up after my Welcome to Wynna's Game screen. And it basically just states all the game procedures. And then next to that is my 3 levels, and the player can type E, M, or H, and then it'll automatically take them to the corresponding level. And then to the left is the basic layout, and then to the right, next to that was a screenshot of me halfway through my game. And then according to what the results are, you can either get the screen to the right or the screen to the left. And if you lose, then you have to restart the game. And if you win, you can also choose to move on to the next level. And thank you.